This unit is super natural. The curls are absolutely unbelievable, and you know what company sent this to me. LuvMe Hair. So let's go ahead and get into this review. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, we are getting into this gorgeous unit from LuvMe Hair. So let me go ahead and provide you all the specs of this unit first, and then we'll jump to my unboxing, what it looked like just straight out of the box. I'll show you how I define the curls on this unit, and then we'll go ahead and install. So this is LuvMe Hair's Beginner Friendly 220% Density. This one is a thick one. It's glueless 5x5 closure, pre-cut lace, Afro kinky curly units, Flexi-Fit Drawstring Cap. We love a drawstring. We love a drawstring. So this unit comes in length 16 inches to 20 inches. This one is the shortest one. This is 16 inches. So price is $136.72. Plus I have a promo code, which is SNH28. Gives you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. So again, the density is 220%. It is glueless. Medium cap size, which is about 22.5 inches, but we do have that drawstring in the back. It's 100% human hair. The lace comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. That's a mouthful. Color is a natural black. Now it does come with a middle part. However, since this is a 5x5 closure, if you wanted to switch it to a left side part or a right side part, you will be able to do that. Lace type is just a regular lace. Let's see here. Can it be dyed? Yes. So those are the specs of this unit. So let me go ahead and just jump to the unboxing and how I define the curls on this unit, and then we'll come back and we'll install, and I'll give you all of my thoughts about this unit. All right guys, so inside the box, of course, we have the units. We have a wig box label, a bag to help store our units, a thank you letter with the wig care guide, as well as the return policies. And this little bag here is brand new. I have not received this before, so I'm going to take it out so we can get a better look. And this is a big LuvMe Hair bonnet. Love this, have the logo on the front, and this can be used for braids, wigs, whatever. So now let's go ahead and get a better look at the unit. And we do have an elastic band that we can attach in the inside of the unit. The lace comes pre-cut, 5x5 closure, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, also the drawstring, and that silicone strip in the inside of the unit. Now this texture is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to define it. I washed and conditioned with LuvMe Hair's renewal system, and this is what the unit looks like after a shampoo and condition. So we're going to be using LuvMe Hair's wig renewal curl mousse today. I'm going to start on one side of the unit, just bringing down layers of hair. I am going to smooth a little bit of that product into the hair. I'm going to use a flat brush to comb through the hair and then separate the curls, and at the end of the curls I'm just finger coiling so that we get that nice pretty ringlet at the bottom. And again, just taking down a layer of hair, clipping the rest out of the way. I'm going to apply some of that product directly to that hair, smooth it through, then comb through it with my flat brush or paddle brush, and then separate the curls and then create that ringlet down at the bottom simply by just twisting the hair around my finger. I'm going to do the same process up the remainder of this side of the hair. I'm going to do the rest off camera, so just keep watching. All right, so I went ahead and defined all the hair on this unit. It took maybe 10 minutes or so, no time at all. And this is what it is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry overnight. Periodically, while it's drying, I will just walk by it and scrunch it just a little bit to break that mold. All right, guys, so I am back. I'm just going to go ahead and take this unit off of the mannequin head. So I did let it just air dry I did let the unit air dry overnight, and I absolutely love how the curls came out. So I'm gonna give you a close-up. Now I did finger coil the bottom, so as you can see, you have those little beautiful ringlets, and this is a natural black color. Also comes kind of layered too, so as you can see, there's some shorter pieces, and then just kind of gradually goes into that longer length of 16 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and just install. I do have on just a nude wig cap, nothing special here. Sometimes those HD wig caps just look too light for me, so I tend to just go with just a plain regular wig cap. So to install, I'm gonna go ahead and just, now it does have the elastic band. Let me go find that really quickly. We'll install that and then pop this baby on. All right, so here is the optional adjustable elastic band that came with the unit. So I am just going to go ahead and slide the hooks through the little loops on the inside of the unit and do the same thing on the other side. Let's see. All right, so we are good to go now. We have that elastic band in there, and I just kind of want that just because. And it is completely optional. That's why they don't have it attached already in the unit. Okay, so I'm gonna place the elastic band around the back of my head, and I'll turn around so you can see. And my hair is just braided down underneath. I'm gonna slide the unit back, install this this back comb in the back of my hair, right there in the middle. I'm not gonna adjust the drawstring as of yet. I kind of want to just like place the unit where I want it to sit here in the front first, and then install these front combs. All right, so one thing I will say that this unit has traditional ear tabs. So these are not the C-shaped ear tabs, and so they're resting right on my ear. Not a fan of that, but let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you how to adjust the drawstring here in the back. The curls are just gorgeous on this though. I'm just gonna fluff it out just a little bit. I feel like with curl patterns like this, the more fluff, the more natural. The more that you wear it, the more natural it becomes. Yeah, absolutely love that it comes like face framed. Less work that we have to do. Okay, so here in the back, I'm gonna try to move the hair out the way. I'm just gonna find this drawstring, and I'm going to pull on the string. Make sure you pull on both sides though, and lock it into place with this little doohickey here. I don't know why I said that. Jesus help me. Okay, so now I'm just tucking the end of the string into the side of the unit. And voila. Okay. All right, so here we have the unit. She is gorge. I just really wish it had the C-shaped ear tabs here. Okay. And you can fluff it out like with a pick or just simply use your hands. I'm just gonna use my hands. And I'm not raking all the way down to the ends because I really like how I define the bottom with those little ringlet curls. Don't want to disrupt those. I use LuvMe Hair's Wig Renewal Curl Mousse. Now, as you all know, that I am a diehard Lotta Body wearer. I always define my curls with a lot of body, but I decided to use this today because I could not find my lot of body, and I'm really happy with the results. So I'll probably be using this going forward. So now I'm going to take a little bit of Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray. This is a light holding spray. Use this pretty much for all my installs because it's so easy to just take it off at the end of the night. And I'm just spraying right on where the lace meets my head. Just a little bit. And as you can see, it kind of just blends right in. Okay, so I'm going to take my LuvMe Hair elastic band with the Velcro, attach it around my neck, and then move it up like a headband and sit right there on top of the lace. And I'm going to let this sit on for about 5-10 minutes. Not too long because this takes no time at all to dry. All right, so it has been maybe 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the elastic band. So again, just undoing the Velcro here in the back, and voila. Voila. All right, so I have my Wet n Wild contouring powder, and this is cheap, but I love it. And I'm just going to use a brush and dab some just right on that lace. As so. And then also I'm going to take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder with an angled brush, and then just brush that right there in the parting space. So just a little bit, just to get this part to pop just a little bit, especially right in this area. Push all the way back. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. Let me just fluff just a little bit more. Again, with this texture, the bigger, the better, the more natural. This unit was so easy to define. The curls took me no time at all. I love that it is layered already. Love the drawstring there in the back. Love the lace on this unit. I just don't have any negatives at all. Super cute unit. Love it, love it, love it. So again, I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back, and now that we have the final look. And I can't do the comb test because we did spray it down, but you could 100% wear this unit glueless if you wanted to. But yeah, so front, side, back, side again, in front. Here is a close-up of these curls. And that is it. That is it for this review. Now, only thing that I wish is that there were C-shaped ear tabs. But other than that, this unit is absolutely flawless. Flawless, flawless, flawless. Love the length, love the texture, love the lace, love everything about this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Make sure to check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this gorgeous unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28, that'll be down in the description box as well. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend. Happy holidays to you all, and I will see you all in the next video.